Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to learn how to connect 4 computers to one router. So I'll first pick my first PC, which starts from 0. So 1, 2, and 3. We are going to connect this to the router on a different network. So therefore I'll label my PC first on a different network before we insert the IP addresses. So alright, first one will be on 1. We assign it to 1 here. That's the label one. After that we insert it. So we label it first so that you know how to work with it. So this one on a different network, that's 2.1. So this one, since we want to make this very easy and understandable, so this one will be 3.1, and also we label this one 4.1. Alright, we are going to insert it, but we want to first label it first. Alright, so let's bring in the router. Let's choose the router we must use. So there are a lot of routers here. So in this tutorial I'll choose 1841. So I place it in the middle here. Right, I want to say certain things about this router. Is the router, let me open it first, zoom it. You see there are slots here and there are another slots here. Inside this router we have 2 fast Ethernet. This fast Ethernet will help us to connect only 2 PCs to this router, neglecting the rest. So we need to insert more ports to this router. First of all, you need to turn the router off. I like this CISCO packets. This is 2023. It's very nice. So you turn it off. You choose WIC first 1 Ethernet. So we have 1 here, but this Ethernet, you hold it like it, you place it inside. So this one is Ethernet. Alright, so we also place another one here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are good to go. We turn on the router. So see, it's booting. Very good. So let's wait. Okay, it's done. So let's click OK. Alright, now we want to insert the IP addresses to the PC first. So I can copy, or you can choose to type. It's very, I want to make this tutorial fast. So IP configuration, you paste it inside. You click here for the subnet mask to appear. The same IP configuration, can write it here because the label, that's why I always label it, give it a name rather. So 192.168 .2.1. Tap here the IP address, the subnet mask will appear here. Then close it. IP configuration 192.168.3.1. Same for this one. 92.168.4.1. Okay, now we are finished setting up the IP addresses for these routers, these PCs. Okay, 1, we need to connect each and every one here to this router. Therefore you go to connections. With this tutorial we're going to use copper crossover for this router. Alright, so we choose this one is fast Ethernet 1, 0. So we drag it here. You choose this one. Now you see there are 4. We used to have 2. That's this one and this one. And now we have 4 here. So choose this one. Don't worry, I know it's red. The second one, choose from anywhere to this PC. That's fast Ethernet 0. So 0, 1, 0. But see, it's good to know your cable. So place it there. This place too. You place it there. That's the fast Ethernet 0. Alright. Because of our PC having that fast Ethernet 0. Now we need to make the connection. We need to set a gateway so that we can communicate with each other here. Let me stretch it out a bit. Alright, now we open the router. You see the interface here. We have 4 here, and each cable have connected to the PCs around here. So if we choose fast Ethernet 0, that was this side. So we will make it on the same network. So the router from here to here will have the same network. This one will have the same network, but in all they are on a different network. So the one here will maintain, but the last one, that's the host, will change. So take this side. Remember, gateway can be the same as the address of the router. So let's make it 192.168.1.2. Alright, so it is on this network. So we click here for the subnet mask, and boom, it turns to green. So our connection is not yet, but yet still we have a good sign here. So we do the same for this side. So here it's 192.168.2.1. so we make it 2.2. It's good. 2.2. Alright, so you turn it on. Don't forget to turn it on, or else you'll not see anything. So now we are good to go. We go to the side. Alright, this side. In case you even mix your cable, you still know through this configuration here. So let's say you're writing for this place 168.4.4.2. So you turn it on, see what happened. We chose right, so this side. Then the last one will be this side. So hope you can see very well. 192.168.3.2. Click here, subnet mask will come. Then you click on, or turn it on. Now we have, should I say, a good cable connection, but we are not actually connected to each other, because if I send one packet here to this side, you will have failed. So we need to do something about what we have here. Alright, that's what I say about gateway. So we pick the side. Remember your IP, or we can always go and check. So the default gateway, since I told you that it will be on the same network. So 192, the gateway, sorry, because I was writing that way. Now let me click here. Alright, so it was this place. Now it's 192.168.1.2. so that was for this side. You can choose to copy. That's the gateway. The same thing we set for the router. You place it here. You can choose to type there. So that's it. Same for the side. IP config, the gateway. This one, how we set the IP address. It will make it easy for you to know how you set it for the router too. So 2.2, that's how we made it. So we can click here, you can check. Second one is 2.2, so the same thing. So here, always try to label your PC to make it easy for you. 192.168.3.2. Drag it here small. So you open this one, IP configuration, clean what is here. 192.168.4.2. Alright, so close it. Now I want to say this thing first. Before we send every packet to every PC here, the PC must know the other first before they agree to be in one terms. So in case I send the first packet from here to here, our first get failed. We are using the real time. We can also use the simulation, but we want to make our connection fast. That's why we are using the real time here. So we will send the packet. Let me clean this first. That was for the testing. We send a packet, we pick from here, we are going to get failed, like it or not. So we have failed. Now they know each other. So we're going to send again. So let's delete. Voila. Successful. You check this place, successful. Like this green. So now they know each other. But this one doesn't know this one. So and this one doesn't know this one. So we send packet from here to here. We get failed. It's compulsory to get failed. But we'll try again. We get successful. So we clean here, clear it out. So the same thing applies to this one, to this place. We get failed. We send it again from here to here. We get successful. Successful. That's the word. So let me clean everything. Now we are done. Since the packet have been sent across this place, I can stand here, choose this side, and have been set already. Now the router can connect to all the PCs perfectly. You can choose to make a design for yourself. So you can go here, click fill color, choose the color you want, the green or blue, or any other color you want. Blue this place. So I like this color. So I click OK. Then I can take this off. Then I'll draw to make it nice. Whoosh, I'm back. So I use this part of the page. And I know if you have any question, you can ask in the comment below. Let's use the simulation mode and see how it works. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you get an understanding from it. And if any question you want to ask, you can show it in the comment below. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll keep on and also help others with it. Thank you. Bye bye.